Come on.
And I don't get out the tablets after the girls take that off for the night.
What?
That's when I get to go on the tablet.
Huh?
When you girls go to bed tonight, that's when I get to go on the tablet. But I'd say, you know, because 9:30, 10 o'clock, all electronics are taken away. Huh? Yeah.
It's filming black. Shh. How's the